everyone, welcome back to Be My Cook. Today we're going to be making a fall pear and pecan salad. Stay tuned. Here are some of the ingredients we're going to need to make our salad. Now I have some olive oil and vinegar for salad dressing. I have some olive oil spray for our pan, 2 pears, some goat cheese, honey, cinnamon, paprika, an orange. We're going to use that for the zest, some dried cranberries. I have a red onion sliced here, and some pecans, and some baby lettuces. Now to get started, in this bowl we're going to add our pecans. I have a half a cup here. We're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. Now I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of honey. We're just going to mix that up. We want to coat every piece of those pecans. Now I have a small saucepan on the stove and I have sprayed it with olive oil cooking spray so that my pecans don't stick to the pan, and make sure that you have a non-stick pan. Alright, looks like we're all coated here. This is going to give a really nice flavor to these pecans. Let's go ahead and turn on our stove. We want about a medium heat, and we're just going to add our pecans. And we're going to cook this for about 4 minutes, stirring constantly. Try to break up these pecans so they're not in clumps. And we're just going to let these cook. Our pecans are now done. I'm going to turn off the stove, and on a parchment lined paper I'm going to put our pecans on here. I'm going to spread them out because we want them to cool. And as they cool, they will have this lovely flavored mixture on top, like a candy coating of the cinnamon and the paprika. It smells so good in here. And we're not even halfway done with our salad yet. So let's let these cool, and I'll show you the next step. Now let's get these pears cut. Oh, they're so wonderful and ripe. Let's give them some pretty good slices here. We don't want them too thin. We do want to see them in the salad. This one doesn't look so good on the outside. We do want some contrast. These are not rotten by any sense of the word, but we do want to get more of the pretty side of the pear. When you're making a salad for people, you want it to look presentable. You just don't want to have it all mashed in there. Because like I said before, people eat with their eyes, and they're going to want to have some of this pear salad, especially when it looks really delicious. I wish I would have found a red one in the store, but they didn't have any. Those always makes for a wonderful fall color. Alright, that's plenty. Let's set that aside. So what I want to do now is put our pears in a bowl. And I'm just going to squeeze some lemon juice on top. Just a little bit. It's not going to hurt it at all. These pears are very sweet and lovely. I want to make sure that they don't turn brown on me. There we go. We're going to set those to the side. Now what we're going to do is take an orange and let's zest some of this orange. This is going to go in our dressing. And we want about 1/2 teaspoon of orange zest. This is going to make our salad so bright and fresh tasting. It's the perfect fall salad for any occasion. If you're having people over or it's just you and your family. Now we're going to start on the salad portion. This goes really fast, folks. We're just going to add about, I'd say, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And we're going to add about 2.5 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to whisk this up. Looks good. We're going to add our zest from our orange. Going to whisk that. We're going to add some of our red onions that we chopped. Just a few. We're going to add our baby greens now to the bowl. We have arugula and spinach. I love this mix. It's so fresh and inviting. It has just all the right flavors. Now let's mix this together. Now we don't want our salad dripping in oil, but we do want some flavor in there. We have our onions. Now we're going to add some of our dried cranberries that we have. Let's put some of those in there. Let's get some of our salad in our bowl. Okay, let's set that aside. Let's kind of arrange it a little bit until you can see some of the other ingredients in here. I can see some orange pieces in the dressing, some cranberries, the onions. Okay. Let's get our pears in there. And what I do with the pears is I kind of set them around inside the salad so that you know that they're in there, but they're kind of tucked away. And once I get them in here, we'll probably do some more arranging. This is going to make the salad look so great. Now let's bring over our pecans and let's set some of those in there. Now the last thing that we're going to do is I'm going to take some goat cheese and we're just going to crumble a few pieces here and there. Put in as much as you would like. If your guests don't like goat cheese and you know that, you can always use a smoked cheese, a smoked mozzarella, a smoked provolone. Here is our fall pear and pecan salad. I know you're going to love this. It tastes great and it looks great. So if you'd like to see more recipes from me, just subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.